Climbing gear is rated in newtons and kilonewtons, and I'm often asked, well, what does that actually mean? Well, let's go to basics. Our mass, the amount of us that there is measured in kilograms, and that doesn't change whether we're standing here on planet Earth, whether we're standing on the moon, or we're flying about through space. Our mass remains the same. When we're standing here on the ground, we're subjected to gravity, and we're accelerating due to gravity at about 9.8 meters per second squared. Well, let's call that around 10 because it makes the maths easy. So my lightweight 70 kilograms is actually multiplied by 10 to give me a weight of 700 newtons, or 0.7 of a kilonewton. This wire is rated to 12 kilonewtons. So if I'm 0.7 of a kilonewton, this will hold 12, so it shouldn't have much of a problem holding my weight. If we look at some of these little micro wires, if I take the smallest one I've got here, this is a 0 offset, little tiny brass wire. This will hold just round about 1 kilonewton. So that's very close to just my body weight. So if you imagine my 0.7 kilonewtons falling off down the crag, the further I fall, or the longer I fall, the greater that load increases and can get considerably more than 1.2 kilonewtons. So there's a very good chance that with even a relatively small fall, this piece of protection will either snap or rip out of its placement. The good thing about these micro wires, even though they'll only hold a relatively small fall, is that if they do break, actually when they break, they absorb part of the energy in the system. And so that means the next piece down doesn't have to absorb as much energy, which gives it a better chance of holding your fall.